Hani H. Marquez, BS Crim 3, Block 3, Definition of term. Number 1. Document. Any material which contain marks, sign or symbol, either visible, partially visible, or invisible, which convey a meaning of message to someone. 2. Question document. Any documents about which some issue has been raised or under security is referred to as question document. Number 3. Disputed document. The term disputed suggests that there is argument or controversy over the document. Number 4. Holographic document. Any document which is completely written and signed by one person is known as holographic document. In a number of jurisdictions, a holographic will can be probated without anyone having witnessed its execution. Number 5. Examination is the act of marking close and critical study of any material and which question document is the process necessary is covered the facts about them. Number 6. Comparison is the act of setting two or more items side by side in the way of identifying qualities. Number 7. Collation means critical comparison or side by side. Number 8. Microscopic examination. Any examination or study which is made with microscope in order to discover we need physical details. Number 9. Oblique or side-like examination. Any examination with a illumination so controlled that in the grace or strike the surface of the document from one side at very low angle is referred to as oblique for side-like examination. Number 10. Transferred light examination is the examination of this kind document is viewed with source of illumination behind and it light passing through the paper. Number 11. Ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet radiation is invincible and occurs the wavelength just because the visible violet in the end of the spectrum. Number 12. Infrared examination. Infrared examination of documents employee is visible radiation beyond the red portion of the visible spectrum rainbow, which is usually recorded on especially sensitive photographic emulsion. Number 13. Signature is one's name written by himself on the document as the site of acknowledgement. Number 14. Evidential signature. Signature signed at a particular time and place under particular condition while the signer was particular age using particular implement and which particular reason and purpose for recording this name. Number 15. Model signature. A genuine signature which has been used to prepare imitative to trace perjury known as the model. Number 16. Simulated signature. A freehand drawing in imitation of model signature. Number 17. Handwriting. Handwriting is the visible effect of the bodily movement which is almost unconscious expression of certain ideas with the script form. Copybook form. This is the design of the letter which are fundamentals to writing system. Number 19. Standard. Windows origins are known and can be proven, and which can be legally legal. Number 18. Copybook form. The design of the letter which is fundamental to writing system. This terminology is derived from the old methods of teaching and writing form of copybook. Number 19. Standard. Windows origins are known can be proven which be legally used as example to compare with other matters during question. 20. Sample. A selected representative portion of the whole known as sample. 21. Exemplars. A specimen of writing of suspect. 22. Forgery is the making of alerting writing instrument which intend defraud another person, also highly specialized form of disguise. 23. Simple forgery is the fraudulent writing the signature of another in the natural or disguise winning of the forger without model. 24. Trace forgery is executed by actually following outline of genuine signature with writing instrument. Such a signature may be produced with the aid of carbon paper by first tracing a carbon outline and then covering with visible coming through model signature. Freehand imitation. A fraudulent signature which was acquired through the simulation rather than the tracing the outline of genuine stimulated forgery. 26. Habit. A writing habit is repeated elements or details which may serve as individualized writing. 27. Characteristic. Any proper or marks which distinguish and document examination refer to identify details. 28. Cursive writing. Writing in which the letter of the model part joined together is cursive. 29. Natural writing. Any specimen writing executed normally without any attempt to control or to identify habits in its usual quality of execution. 30. Disguised writing. A writing may be debilitated or alter its usual writing habits. 31. Movement. It embraces all the factors which are related to the motion of writing, specimen and speed, rhythm, and the like. 32. Speed of writing. Not everyone writings at the same rate, so that consideration of the speed writing can be significant identifying elements. 33. Pen leaf. An interruption of stroke by removing the writing instrument from the paper. 34. Pen stop. As distinguished from pen leaf is temporary sensation of the movement of the pen to change direction of movement or stroke. 35. Pen emphasis. The above of intermittently holding the pen against the paper surface with intense pressure. 36. Pen pressure. The average force of the average force which the pen contacts the paper It deals with usual or average force. 37. Patching. Retouring on going back over defective portion of writing. 38. Retouching. Retouching. Writing which patching are used synonymously. 39. Rhythm is the element of writing movement which is marked by regular or periodic recurrence. 40. Shading is the element of ink stroke due to added pressure on the flexible pen. 41. Slant is the angle of an alienation of the axis related to the baseline. 42. Tremor, a writing weakness portrayed by irregular annual stroke. 43. Baseline, the ruler of imaginary line upon which to writing. 44. Quality, it is distinct peculiar character. 45. Line quality, the visible record in the writing stroke of the basic movement and matter of holding writing instrument. 46. Alignment defect include the characters which write inappropriate in the following respects: twisted letter, horizontal, malalignment, and character of its feet. 47. Character, in the connection of typewriting identification, the term used to include letter, symbolic, numericals, or points of punctuation. Number 48. Kludge, with the use of typefaces become filled with the letter in ink, particular letters such as O, E, P, G. 49. Defects, its individuation and identification. 50. Horizontal malalignment, it's an alignment defect in which character prints of the right after the text is proper position.